This is just a short video, a sneak peek as to where we're up to in our kitchen renovation. We're currently working on this wall. It had all colours on it, green, blue, orange, wallpaper. We can't even distinguish what the patterns are, but we've managed to knock all of that off, and we've had to knock some plaster off with it because it was just crumbling off the walls. So we've managed to make this patch here, but as you can see, there is an obvious join there, and there used to be a door here many years ago. We knew that anyway. This door's been filled in, but not very good, unless it's just the age of the house. So it's a good job we knocked all that old plaster off so we can see exactly where all these cracks exist. So we're able to fill all of that in. This is what it looks like from the other side. So it is that one patch there, and we've just got other bits we need to get rid of there, of the paint. We don't know whether we can get away with that and plaster over it, but there is an obvious ridge. If I just go near to there and show you, there's quite an obvious ridge. So all of this here will need plastering in, which we're planning on doing that anyway, but that ridge already existed, and you know, it's quite out there, it's quite uneven. So this house is about 75 years old, something to that effect anyway. We're not quite sure the exact age, but you know, things like this, discovering old plaster, crumbling plaster and paint, it is expected. This is the current state of what was the kitchen, or will be the kitchen. As you can see, it's just a shell still, but we are making progress. We have put the new wiring in, although it's still not usable, of course, and we have plastered in some of the holes there. So it will come together eventually. We cannot wait though to show everybody the finished project from start to finish anyway, and just what it will look like and what we have planned. We're so excited. We already do have our kitchen units. This is what our kitchen units look like. Yes, they're still in boxes.